Hey, welcome to my channel, Yankees Outdoor Adventures. Is this your first time here? If so, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that little bell icon. You'll be the next to know about a Yankees Outdoor Adventure. And hey, remember, subscriptions are free, so why not? Today's Thursday. It's time for a meet and greet. I'm not going to mess around here. Let's roll that intro. Bob's Woodland Adventures. Bob has an awesome channel. I'm going to introduce you guys to Robert, but hey, you know what? Before I do, 70 degrees yesterday, 30 degrees today, and spitting freezing rain. Let's get to a different condition. There, that's better. Robert has an awesome channel. Now, actually, I met Robert because of a little game my community likes to play, a little secret game, so I'm not really allowed to tell you guys about it, but we like to look for new YouTubers, and Robert was one of the individuals we came across, and what an awesome channel it was to come across. Now, guys, I want you to go ahead and give Robert some of that love, and just wait till you see this clip he sent in. It was totally awesome. Robert is really into primitive weapons and primitive survival skills, so I think you guys are going to really truly enjoy his channel. And instead of me just going on, let me hand it right on over to Robert. Robert, it's all you, brother.
Hello everyone, this is Robert and this is my channel. Welcome to Bob's Woodland Adventures. Well, on my channel, I will be just out in the woods, practicing on building different types of survival shelters, practicing on different methods of fire making, which is a real challenge for me, and other types of bushcraft, such as making primitive survival weapons and practicing on using them. And sometimes I'll be indoors, showing off different kits that I make, like a fire kit or a medical kit when I get that done, and other types of survival gear that I will be making myself. And then after I make all my survival gear, I'll be out in the woods and practicing on setting them up and using them, because practice is the key to survival. And I would like to send out a special thank you to Yankees Outdoor Adventures for asking me to do this video for his meet and greet community. Take it away, Yankee.
Thank you, Robert. Man, sorry about the wind, guys. It is brutal. We're going to have to go back to where I was. Sorry about that, guys. Weather in Ohio. If you don't like it today, just wait till tomorrow. It'll be different. Robert, I want to again thank you so much for being on the show tonight, man. It was an awesome video you sent in. Everybody in the community, I want to encourage you to get out, meet Robert. Robert, I want to encourage you to involve yourself with the community. Get some more collaborations going, guys. Collaborations are definitely going to help you grow your community. So I'd love to help you out if you need any help with that. So keep it in mind. On the note of collaborations, a good friend of mine, Mario, has invited me to be on a collaboration with him over on his live show. Now, I want to kind of use it as a reverse meet and greet, although it's going to be at a weird time of day. Now, I got a lot of community members in different time zones, This is going to be really early if you're on the East Coast Saturday morning. I'm going to give a full announcement on this on Friday. I'm going to throw up a short video. It's going to give you the link to get to his channel and give you a quick rundown on what's going on. So, hey guys, I hope I can see you there. I definitely like to see you get involved in Robert's community. Robert, thank you for being here. And everyone, until our trails meet again, I hope all your adventures are awesome. Wanishi.